Dear children, we learned about the three types of geometrical shapes last week. That was oval, rectangle, and triangle. Hope you have practiced the geometrical shapes last week, and those who practiced the last week can draw well this week. Okay? Today, we will learn how to draw different objects using these three shapes. How to draw different objects using these three shapes. Okay? We can draw a lot of objects with each geometrical shapes. But now, we are only getting 2 or 3 pictures and getting acquainted with each shape. Let me remind you, these are the basic principles of drawing. Once this is done, we will learn to draw beautiful and detailed pictures. So, when you learn these basic things, you don't have to worry. Okay, the geometrical shape oval we practice today. The oval. The oval shape is the most commonly used shape in the drawing. Most of the pictures have an oval shape somewhere. So, it is essential that we learn the oval shape. Now, select any 3 out of the 4 or 5 images shown here and try to draw. Then, next is the drawing using triangle shapes. Here you can see the drawing using triangle shapes. The images seen here are based on triangle shape. Notice the images with the triangle shapes seen here and you try to draw any 3 objects from this screen. The last shape we learned today is the images using the rectangle. Yes, here are the drawings using rectangle. Select any 3 of these rectangle shapes and draw them into your book or a paper. Now, we are introducing 3 more geometrical shapes that we will be drawing next week. That is pentagon, circle, square. In geometry, a pentagon is any 5-sided polygon or 5-gon. The sum of the internal angles in a simple pentagon is 540 degree. Here is the pentagon shape, see. Okay, then circle. A circle is a shape consisting of all points in a plane that are a given distance from a given point, the center. Equivalently, it is the curve traced out by a point that moves in a plane so that its distance from a given point is constant. Dear children, see, if this explanation seems difficult, you should not mind it, but you have to practice drawing the circle by hand. Okay? Then, next is square. The shape of the square. The square is a regular quadrilateral, which means that it has 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles. It has 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles, that is square. You practice these 3 shapes also, try to draw the pictures you gave earlier. Once these 6 shapes are well practiced, we can learn to draw many different types of images. Wishing everyone a happy and good week. Thank you. Thank you.